Side airbags work by inflating within a fraction of a second and will help keep your chest and head protected from being hurt during an accident. There are sensors installed with them to determine if an accident is severe enough for them to be deployed, and unlike standard airbags, they will stay deflated for several seconds in an effort to give you added protection should your vehicle roll over. Since 1998 it has been standard that all passenger cars come with airbags, and while the addition of side airbags is an optional one, a vehicle can easily be equipped with both the standard front airbags as well as side airbags for added safety. In various studies it has been found that side airbags with head protection reduce the risk of death by about 37% for drivers in cars and by 52% for drivers in SUVs in the event of an accident. While not mandatory or regulated, when installed in vehicles, side airbags have been proven to have drastic effects in increasing the safety of both driver and passengers in the event of a traffic accident. If extra protection in your vehicle is of interest to you, installing side airbags may be one of the most important steps that you can take.